Toolbox Talk. Emergency Preparedness. 4 important points. Number 1. Silences. An alarm system must be established at the site, office, building as means of notifications to all employees in case of an emergency. An alarm system should include the following: lights, horns, and sirens. Identify appropriate devices for emergencies that will notify all employees and visitors of emergency situations, either on the site, office, and buildings. Number 2. Training and competency. Depending on the risk profile, employees should be trained to deal with emergencies likely to occur. Training should indicate the following: firefighting, first aid, vertical rescue, rope rescue, hazardous substance management, civil disturbance management, and crisis management. Suitable numbers of personnel needs to be trained and available during working hours. Training exercises and drills must be scheduled and carried out. Number 3. Fire prevention and protection. Fire prevention and protection should include the following: a fire prevention and protection risk assessment, suitable storage facilities for chemicals, mandatory signs and prominently displayed, fire equipment readily available, and enough trained personnel. Number 4. Evacuation. Emergency escape signage must be displayed through the premises indicating the direction of escape. The assembly points to be clearly marked and employees to be trained during induction on the site emergency preparedness plan and assembly locations. The site or office HSE department should develop initial roles and responsibilities to assist the development of an evacuation plan.